This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. This charming Chautauqua Lake cottage offers the perfect blend of comfort and scenic beauty. Fully furnished and move-in ready, the home features an inviting open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Cozy up by the gas fireplace on chilly evenings, or step out onto the covered deck to take in breathtaking panoramic lake views. The spacious yard is ideal for outdoor fun, complete with a fire pit for evening gatherings under the stars. An aluminum dock provides easy access to the water, perfect for boating or fishing enthusiasts. If you're looking for a weekend retreat, this delightful cottage is ready to be your lakeside haven. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia McMahon at 716-484-2020.